Welcome to Kognitos. In other videos, we've shown how you can use Kognitos to manipulate spreadsheets and even merge data into a single spreadsheet. In a lot of businesses, this still occurs where you have inputs coming from different areas that are combined into a single spreadsheet, but then maybe you want to get insight off of that spreadsheet and elicit a response from your team based on those insights. In this case, we have shipping data. We're looking at 4 different customers, and we're looking at the number of basically shipping orders that have occurred for those customers each week. We want to see that because this is coming in from multiple data streams, if there may be a cause for concern, such as 3 days in a row, and or are there insights we can drive over time based on this. Based on that action, we would then want to alert someone to reach out or to look into a particular problem. But it's hard to see, is this just a data error or is this an actual business insight that is occurring? So here we've built a process where we want to go in, we want to get the average of each of these different rows within utilizing Kognitos here. And then we're going to say for customer A, if that average drops below a certain amount, then we want to send this over to an agent who can follow up on it and understand what is going on. This is a business insight we would want to provide. However, there may be another case where we want to look for anomalies that may indicate that our data is actually faulty. And in this case, we're saying for customer B, if for customer B, the rows are empty, then we want to say that this is a concern for that customer. And if not, do nothing. So let's go in and run this process. We'll kick off a run manually here in an attended format. With Kognitos, it's easy to do either unattended or attended. There's no different licensing. You can trigger things however you would like within the app. First thing it's going to ask us is asking us to actually provide the file that we want to use. Again, normally this would be done in an unattended format where maybe you're merging Excel sheets and then you're sending that over to be reviewed by Kognitos via email or via JSON or something else. Now it's going to go through that CSV. It's going to walk through each and every row. And then after going through those rows, it's going through those different logical calculations. Now, this is actually very hard to do with generative AI and others. And in fact, we'll see here that it has performed this calculation successfully. So what we should expect to see from the spreadsheet is we should expect to see a problem here with this dropping below that 200 average because of that 0 week. If we click on the calculations, we'll see it's gone through. And in fact, for row A, for customer A, it is less than 200. And so it has created this message to be sent out to a customer agent. With Kognitos, you can easily perform calculations. You can easily add logic just by writing in English what you would need to do and have that monitoring data or handling different data sources within Excel or within applications.